In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a reserve price on eBay. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just getting started, understanding how to set a reserve price can be incredibly beneficial. A reserve price allows you to set a minimum amount you're willing to accept for your item when listing it in an auction format. This helps ensure you don't sell your valuable item for less than you're comfortable with. So let's dive in and get you set up step by step. First things first, you'll need to log into your eBay account. Head over to the eBay website and enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but that will just take a few minutes. Once you're logged in, you're ready to proceed. Next, navigate to the My eBay section, find the Selling tab and click on Listings. This is where you can manage all your current listings, create new ones and edit existing ones. If you're familiar with this area, great. If not, take a moment to explore the various options available to you. Once you're in the listings section, you'll have the option to either create a new listing or edit an existing one. If you're listing a new item, click on the Create New Listing button. If you'd like to add a reserve price to an item you're already selling, simply find the listing in question and select Edit. Now scroll down to find the pricing section of the listing page. This area is crucial because it's where you can determine how your item will be sold. Find the format setting here, and you'll want to make sure it's set to auction. It's important to note that the reserve price option is available only in the auction format, so don't skip this step. Once your format is set to auction, it's time to enter your desired reserve price. Remember, this is the minimum amount you're willing to accept for your item. It's a good idea to weigh the value of your item and market factors to determine a reasonable reserve price. If your reserve price is too high, the item might not sell, too low, and you might not meet your earnings expectations. Finally, once you're satisfied with the information you've entered, you can either click List It to make your listing live immediately, or choose Save for Later if you want to review everything one last time before making the listing public. And that's it, you've successfully set a reserve price on eBay. This process allows you to protect the value of your items while participating in auction-style sales. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need a refresher. Thanks for tuning in and happy selling.